Hi, good day everyone. So today we are going to learn the first topic for UED 102 study skills, which is getting ready to learn. The subtopics are making the transition from school to university. Second is characteristic of a successful student, and the last one is using learning style to enhance performance. Making a move from being in a school or college to university is not an easy task. There's a need for students to make new friends, find out new things, and make necessary lifestyle adjustments. For example, at the moment we are having an online distance learning, which is ODL. So what you need to do is to make some adjustment in your lifestyle. For example, you can set up a study table so that you can create a conducive learning environment. Get yourself a planner so that you can plan all your activities, or you can find a study partner so that you can support each other. These are the characteristics of a successful student. The first one is to attend all classes. One of the best ways to be successful in a university is to attend all classes. Although you will be tested on material from the course textbook, most of the test questions will come from the lecturers. Secondly, is to become an active learner. Unlike high school, in university you can't learn all of the material just reading over it a couple of times. You need to write and recite the information to get into long-term memory. Next is to participate in class. If you feel a bit uncomfortable participating in class, set a goal to either ask or answer one question during each class. Once you begin participating, you will feel more a part of the class and will become more actively involved in the learning process. Number 4, get to know your lecturers. Take a few minutes and stop to talk with your lecturer before or after class or during office hours. Ask a questions about the material or check on your progress in the course. If you get to know your instructors, you may feel more comfortable asking for help when you need it. Moving on to number 5, form a study groups with friends. Study groups of about 3 to 4 people are known to be very effective. However, make sure that you include friends who are serious about doing well in their studies, because only then they will contribute. Number 6, stay up to date with your work. Many college students have difficulty keeping up with all the reading that assigned in a class. If you get behind in your reading, you may never have time to catch up. The workload in college just increases as the semester progresses. Never procrastinate. Next is be receptive to change. If the strategies that you use in high school aren't working, ask your lecturer or tutor for suggestions for different ways to learn. Even though the strategies that they suggest may not seem like they will work, you must be willing to give them a chance. If you don't make changes in the way you take notes, read your texts, or prepare for exam, for example, you won't see changes in your performance. Last but not least, work hard this semester. Forget about doing all your assignments in the evening. If you're taking 15 credits for this semester, you will need a minimum 30 hours, 2 hours outside of class for every hour in class, to do work if you want high grades. If you work slowly or if you're taking difficult courses, you will need more time to do your work well. So we are in the last subtopic, which is learning styles. What you have to do is to complete the learning style inventory, and then you need to refer to the scoring instruction table to find your best learning style. You may pause for a while to answer these questions and then refer to the scoring inventory to select the best learning style for you. If you are a visual learner, you have strong visualization skills and can remember objects, shapes, and pictures. You learn by reading and by watching films, videos, and demonstrations. You can see pictures in your mind. The best way to learn as a visual learner are by creating mind maps, flowcharts, and diagrams using bright colors. Put them where you can view them frequently. Practice building your visual memory by rewrite your notes using different colors. For auditory learners, you have a good ear and can hear differences in tones and rhythm. Reading out loud will be beneficial. You can remember what you hear in a lecture. Ways to learn is after you read a page in your textbook, summarize the information out loud in your own words. Or you can tape your instructor's lecture and discuss the material that you have been learning with a friend or study groups. Lastly, kinesthetic learners. If your preferred style is kinesthetic, you are a hands-on learner. You have good coordination and learn by doing. You generally have an active approach on learning. Ways to learn are by using your hands, cut up charts and diagrams, create a flashcard and move them around with large sweeping movement. You can walk and talk the information, recite as you move, or you can type on a computer keyboard. You are using your muscle memory. These are the best ways to learn for a kinesthetic learner. That's all for topic 1. So we'll see you on the next topic. Thank you.